Greetings, everybody. Is it recording? Yeah, it's recording. Greetings, everybody. So today I am here with Lion Fur. Lion Fur, say hi. It's on. Lion Fur, say hi. It's on. So today we are role playing. We're role playing on Warrior Cat. I am Night Kid, my OC, and I'm basically the chosen one. I keep getting hit by a monster, and I am so confused because I don't die, and I go, I am so confused, as you can see. So let's go. Let's start. So the quality's pretty bad. I'm using my headphones. I'm gonna should I add? Yeah. Hang on, guys. Hang on. Can you talk to the people?